Today, we're diving into the world of scheduling apps for Android. If you're looking to boost your productivity and stay organized, you're in the right place. Let's get started. The best scheduling apps for Android help users plan, organize, and manage their time efficiently. These applications typically offer features like calendar integration, task management, reminders, and event planning. They allow users to create to-do lists, set deadlines, and track progress, all while providing notifications to keep them on schedule. They can be customized with various themes and layouts to suit individual preferences. Additionally, some apps integrate with other productivity tools, making it easier for users to collaborate and share their schedules with others. Overall, the best scheduling apps aim to enhance productivity, reduce stress, and ensure that users can manage their time effectively, whether for personal or professional purposes. Thanks for watching. We hope this overview of the best scheduling apps for Android has inspired you to take control of your time and enhance your productivity. See you in the next video.